First, watch this. Yeah, I'll wait. Don't worry. Done? Nice. By the way, this trend is called Bazda da da. And right now, it's blowing up. Millions of views everywhere. Quick thing before I show you how to make it. Just hit like and subscribe real quick, so you don't miss these easy viral tricks later. All right, now let's do it. Open CapCut. You'll find the unlocked Pro version link. And the best part? No VPN needed anymore. It works smoothly now. So download it before it disappears. Tap on the search bar and type bus-da-da-da. Scroll a bit. You'll see the template. Tap on it, then hit Use Template. Now select your photos. But listen carefully. Your photos should match the style of the template. Like similar poses, similar angles, otherwise it won't look right. If you're confused, just watch the template once and copy that vibe. Now tap Next, then Export, and choose Save with Watermark. Wait a few seconds, and boom, your video is ready.